Hello my dear students, this is Priyanka Sharma and here I am going to explain chapter 7 decimals, and here is exercise 7b. Okay, let's begin. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Question number 1 is convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. 0.9 यहाँ पर नंबर दिया हुआ है 0.9 एंड यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इन फ्रैक्शन. पहले आपको इसे फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, सो here is 0.9 is equal to 9 upon 10 because this number is 10th place number, so the fraction should be 9 upon 10, and here we cannot convert into this fraction into simplest form because these numbers, numerators and denominators, are not divided by any numbers, so that the answer should be 9 upon 10. Question number 2, convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. 0.6, we have 0.6, it means we have to write 6 upon 10 and its simplest form should be 3 upon 5 because both numbers are divisible by 2, so the answer should be 3 upon 5. Next, question number 3, convert each of the following into a fraction and its simplest form. 0.08, we have 0.08, so the fraction should be 8 upon 100 because here the 2-digit decimal place, so the fraction should be 8 upon 100, and now 4 upon 50, and after that 2 upon 25 because these numbers are divisible by 2 and this is also divisible by 2, so that answer should be 2 upon 25. Next question is convert each of the following into the fraction in its simplest form. 0.15, we have 0.15 is equal to 15 upon 10 is equal to 3 upon 20. Understand, these numbers are divisible by 5, so that answer should be 3 upon 20. Next, convert each of the following into fraction and its simplest forms. 0.48, we have 0.48 is equal to 48 upon 100 and it is divisible by 4, so the answer should be 12 upon 25, and this is the simplest form. Question number 6, convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. 0.053, we have 0.053, so the fraction should be 53 upon 1000. Okay, because here the decimal have 3-digit decimal place, so you have to write fraction 53 upon 1000. Next, question number 7, convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. 0.125, we have 0.125, 125 upon 1000 is the fraction and it is divisible by 5. Now here is the simplest form. 25 upon 200, it is also divisible by 5, and now 5 upon 40, it is also divisible by 5, so the answer should be 1 upon 8. Understand? Next, question number 8, convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. 0.224, we have 0.224, So the fraction should be 224 upon 1000 is equal to 56 upon 250. It is divisible by 4. Now it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2, and the answer should be 28 upon 125. Understand? Next question is question number 9. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. 6.4. We have 6.4. It should be 64 upon 10. It is the fraction and it is divisible by 2. So the fraction or simplest form should be 32 upon 5, and when we divide 32 by 5, we will get 6 whole 2 upon 5, and this is the mixed fraction. Understand? Now question number 10. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. 16.5. We have 16.5 and the fraction should be 165 upon 10 is equal to 33 upon 2, because it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. Both number are divisible by 5. So the fraction should be 33 upon 2, and when you divide 33 by 2, you will get 16 whole 1 upon 2, and this is the answer in mixed fraction. Next, question number 11. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. 8.36. We have 8.36 is equal to 836 upon 100, and this is divisible by 4. Okay, this is divisible by 4, and now here's the simplest form. 209 upon 25, and this number, when you divide 209 by 25, you will get 8 whole 9 upon 25, and this is the mixed fraction and your answer. Now question number 12. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. 4.275. We have 4.275 is equal to 4275 upon 1000, and it is divisible by it is divisible by 25. ओके, 25 के टेबल से ये डिविजिबल है. सो द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म शुड बी 171 अपॉन 40. Okay, now the fraction should be, the mixed fraction should be 4 whole 11 upon 40. When you divide 171 by 40, you will get 4 whole 11 upon 40. Next, question number 13. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. 25.06. We have 25.06. It should be 2506 upon 100, and it is divisible by 2, and here the simplest form should be 1253 या फिर 1253 upon 50, and when you divide 1253 by 50, you will get 25 whole 3 upon 50, and this is the answer. Next, question number 14. Convert each of the following as mixed fraction. 7.004. We have 7.004 and 7004 upon 1000. This is the fraction, and here this number should be divisible by 4. Okay, both number are divisible by 4, so that the सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म शुड बी 1751 या फिर 1751 अपॉन 250. Now, when you divide 1751 by 250, you will get 7 whole 1 upon 250, and this is the answer in mixed fraction. Now, the question number 15 is convert each of the following as mixed fraction 2.052. We have 2.052. Fraction should be 2052 upon 1000 and is equal to 513 upon 250. It is also divisible by 4, and the mixed fraction should be 2 whole 13 upon 250. Understand? Next, question number 16. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction 3.108. We have 3.108. It should be 3108 upon 1000, and this is the fraction, and its simplest form should be divisible by 4. Both number are divisible by 4. After dividing both number, we will get 777 upon 250, and the mixed fraction should be 3 whole 27 upon 250. Understand? 3 whole 27 upon 250. जब आप 250 से 777 का डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपका आंसर होगा 3 whole 27 upon 250. Next question is question number 17, and here convert each of the following into decimal. 23 upon 10. 23 upon 10 यहाँ पर हमें डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. We have 23 upon 10. It means 2 whole 3 upon 10. When you divide 23 by 10, you will get 2 whole 3 upon 10. 2 plus 0.3. So the answer should be 2.3. Understand? 2 यहाँ पर जो 2 होल में लिखा हुआ है इसे आप बाहर राइट कर लेंगे एंड इस नंबर को कन्वर्ट कर देंगे 0.3 में, तो आपका आंसर होगा 2.3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कन्वर्ट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन डेसिमल. 167 upon 100. We have 160 upon 100. It means 1 whole 67 upon 100 is equal to 1 plus 0.67 is equal to 1.67. Okay, you can write 1.67, and you can also write in this way. You can place decimal point before 2 digit, because here is 2 zeros. According to 0, you can put your decimal point before 2 digit. Okay, so you can put your decimal point before 2 digit, and answer should be 1.67. Understand? It is also done in this way. It is also easy method. So the next question is question number 19, and here convert each of the following into decimal. 1589 upon 100, and here you can place your decimal point before 2 digit as well, because यहाँ पर आपको 2 ज़ीरो दिए हुए हैं एंड 100 में 2 ज़ीरो होते हैं, तो 2 ज़ीरो की अकॉर्डिंग आप अपना पॉइंट 2 डिजिट से पहले प्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो प्लेस योर पॉइंट बिफोर 2 डिजिट एंड यू विल गेट योर आंसर easily. Write the number which is given in numerator place, and the number should be the number is 15.89. 15.89, and आप अपना जो पॉइंट है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू 0 आप प्लेस कर सकते हो 2 डिजिट से पहले अपना पॉइंट लगा दो, आपका आंसर डायरेक्ट आप कर लोगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, कन्वर्ट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इनटू डेसिमल 5413 upon 1000 and here as you can see here are 3 zeros in 1000, so you can put your decimal point before 3 digit in numerator. Here you can see before 3 digit you can put your decimal point. 5.413 is your answer. Understand? Next, convert each of the following into decimal. 21415 upon 1000, 21415, and here are 3 zeros in denominator place in 1000, and you can put your decimal point before 3 digit in numerator, and you can write in this way 21.415. Understand? 21.415 is your answer. You can do in both you can do this question in simple method, or you can do this question according to this method. Okay, this method is a mixed fraction method. According to mixed fraction you can put your decimal point, or you can put your decimal point according to different method as I explained you. Next, question number 22, convert each of the following into decimal. 25 upon 4, so you can divide 25 by 4, and first of all here 4 6 times is 24, and here is 1. यहाँ पर आप एक पॉइंट लगाएंगे एंड यहाँ पर आप एक ज़ीरो इंक्लूड करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट here is 10 and here is 4, so 4 2 times is 8, and now 2 is the remainder because यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी पॉइंट था, so that आप यहाँ पर एक ज़ीरो आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. 4 5 times is 20, and here is the answer 6.25. This is the way in you can write your answer. और यहाँ पर एक दूसरा तरीका भी आपको समझाया गया है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर वे. 25 upon 4 is equal to 4 is divisible by 25. We have mixed fraction, and mixed fraction है हमारा 6 whole 1 upon 4. Now 6 plus 0.25 is equal to 6.25, but this method is simple, so that you can apply this method in your sums. Convert each of the following into decimal. 3 whole 3 upon 5. 3 whole 3 upon 5 is equal to 18 upon 5, and now divide 18 by 5. You will get 3.6, and 3.6 is your answer. Next question is convert each of the following into decimal, and here is 1 whole 4 upon 25. 1 whole 4 upon 24 converted into improper fraction, you will get 29 upon 25. Now divide 29 by 25. You will get 1.16. Understand? 1.16 is your answer. Next, convert each of the following into decimal. 5 whole 17 upon 50, and here is 5 whole 17 upon 50 is equal to 267 upon 50, and now 267 is divided by 50. You will get When you divide 267 by 50, you will get 5.34. Okay, this is the answer, 5.34. Now question number 26. Convert each of the following into decimal. 12 whole 3 upon 8 and 12 whole 3 upon 8 is equal to 19 upon 8. 99 upon 8. 99 is divisible by 8. You will get 12.375, and 12.375 is your answer. Question number 27. Convert each of the following into decimal. 2 whole 19 upon 40. 2 whole 19 upon 40 is equal to 99 upon 40. So 99 is divisible by 40, and you will get your answer 2.475. When you divide 99 by 40, you will get 2.475, and this is your answer. Question number 28. Convert each of the following into decimal. 19.20, 19 upon 20, and 19 upon 20. When you divide 19 by 20, and it is not easy to divide, so that you have to put a point before dividing. You put a point and mention a 0 here, and you will get 190. Now you can divide it by 20, and 9 times is 180. Here is the remainder 10, and already यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट था, so you can add a 0 in remainder, and after that you can divide 100 by 20 is 5 times 25 times is divisible by 100, so your answer should be 0.95. Next, question number 29. And in this question, convert each of the following into decimal. 37 upon 50. 37 upon 50. 7 is not divisible by 50, so that you have to put a point, a decimal point, and include a 0 in 37. Now it should be 370. Now 57 times is 350, and you will get a remainder 20. And now you already mentioned a point here, so you can include a 0 in 20. So it should सॉरी, यहाँ पर अब एक हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 20 की जगह पे 200. एंड नाउ यहाँ पर आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो 4 टाइम्स में, तो 200 हो जाएगा, और ये पूरा आपका डिवाइड हो जाएगा. नाउ द आंसर शुड बी 0.74. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. Convert each of the following into decimal. 107 upon 250. Same that we have to put a point here, and now we have to put a point in question, and include a 0 in dividend. Now 250 4 times is 1000, and remainder should be 70. यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी पॉइंट था, तो आप 0 इंक्लूड कर ही लोगे. एंड 250 2 टाइम्स इज 500, एंड द रिमाइंडर शुड बी 200. एक 0 आप ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, पॉइंट आपका पहले से ही लगा हुआ है. 8 टाइम्स में ये 2000 हो जाएगा, एंड ये पूरा आपका आंसर ये पूरा डिविजिबल होगा. इसके बाद योर आंसर शुड बी 0.428. Question number 31. Convert each of the following into decimal. 3.3 upon 40. Same that you have to put a 0. Okay, 0 एंड पॉइंट। अगर कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है कि जब ये यहाँ पर रॉन्ग लिखा हुआ है, ये रॉन्ग है, ये इस तरह से नहीं होगा। आपको क्या करना है, जब आपके पास यहाँ पर 3 है तो आपको पहले यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट लगाना होगा, उसके बाद आप इसमें एक ज़ीरो इंक्लूड कर लोगे एंड देन आफ्टर you have to write a zero in your quotient as well. Now you also include one more zero here. कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है जब आपको डिवीज़न नहीं निकल पा रहा हो आपका, तो आपको क्या करना है, पहले तो पॉइंट लगाकर ज़ीरो इंक्लूड करना होता है। फिर भी अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो आपको एक ज़ीरो उसके बाद लगाकर आपको ये यहाँ पर एक ज़ीरो और इंक्लूड कर लेना होता है। नाउ इट इज़ ईजी टू डिवाइड एंड 7 टाइम्स में आपका ये हो जाएगा 280 एंड आफ्टर दैट your remainder should be 200 and 5 times 45 times is 200 and your answer should be 1 second, यहाँ पर 5 राइट कर देती हूँ, and your answer should be 0.075. Understand? Next, question number 32. Convert each of the following into decimal. 7/8. 7 is not divisible by 8, so that we have to put a point and include a 0 in 7. Now it is 70 and 8 times is 64 and the remainder is 6. We can include a 0 as we already put a point here. Now 8 7 times is 56 and now 40. 8 5 times is 40 and our answer is 0.875. Next, question number 33, and this question is using the decimal express 8 kg 640 gram in kilogram. Okay, 8 kg 640 grams in kilogram. तो 8 kg plus 640 gram is equal to 8 kg plus 640 upon 1000. Now the answer should be 8.640. Okay, next, 9 kg 37 gram in kilogram. 9 kg plus 37 is equal to 9 kg plus 37 upon 1000 and it should be 9.037 because we have 1000 in kg, 1000 gram in kg, so that it should be 9.037. Question number 3. 6 kg 8 gram into kilogram. 6 kg plus 8 gram is equal to 6 plus 8 upon 1000 kg. Now 6.008 kg is equal to 6.008 kg. Understand? Next, question number 34. Using decimal express 4 kilometer 365 meter in kilogram, किलोमीटर सेम है वैसे ही जैसे कि आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर किया है 33। यहाँ पर भी आपको इंक्लूड करना है पॉइंट अकॉर्डिंग टू their meters and kilometers. Here, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 4 plus 365 is equal to 4 plus 365 upon 1000 and 4 plus 0.365 kilometer is equal to 4.365 kilometer. Second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, all question are same. You can understand easily. Now I'm going to explain you question number 35, and this question is also according to 33 and 34. Using decimal express 15 kg 850 gram into kilograms. and here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so that it your answer should be 15.850 kg. Understand? Same that question number second, third and fourth you can do it by yourself. Now question number 36, and this question is using decimal express rupees 18 and 25 paise in rupees. Since rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise, so that rupees 18 plus 25 paise is equal to 18 plus rupees 25 upon 100, and 18 plus 0 to 5 is equal to 18.25. Question number second, rupees 9 and 8 paise in rupees. Same that 9 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8 upon 100. 9 plus 0.8 is equal to 9 plus 9.08. Sorry. Question number 3 and 4 is same as before, so that you can do it easily. And here's the solution. It is very helpful to you to solve this exercise. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel if you haven't.